Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming with you with a bare face because I was just removing my makeup and I saw these masks. I received this mask from NIVEA and they're 1 minute masks. I'm like, you know what, let me try them. I want to see if they work or not. So if you want to see if they work or not, please make sure that you like and subscribe and make sure that you tune in. Let's jump straight into the vid. So the masks are as follows. The Pore Refine, this one is self-heating and with magnolia extract, and then this one is the moisturizer with green tea extract and hyaluronic acid. So let's start off with this one. Let me just go wet my face. 1 second. The directions are to apply a generous amount, and it says self-heating. It is, you know, I can feel the heat. It's a nice mask. I can actually feel the heat. I was gimmicky. I was like, what the heck is self-heating? The mask does not dry or harden. After 1 minute, rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. I can feel the heat. The magnolia extract smells good. I'm gonna go in with this one with the moisturize. It is green tea and hyaluronic acid on a damp face. Am I supposed to apply a generous amount or what? I'm not sure, but I feel like when you apply generous amount, you're wasting product. I think this is a generous amount. Okay. There's a bit of a tingling sensation here. Let's get the neck area. For tingling sensation, a bit though, not much. Can definitely feel the moisturizing thingy. Yeah. The minute is about to pass. I'll go wash my face now. Like, the tingling sensation is here in the mouth area most, and here. To moisturize, to serum, I'm just gonna use this one, the Hyaluron anti-age serum from. Just gonna go in with 2 pumps, then I'll give you guys my final thought. Oh my goodness, this serum is so nice. Cream, I'm gonna go in with the Perfection Radiant sensitive skin. This stuff is moisturizing. Alright, now that I'm done, the Pore Refine self-heating formula with magnolia extract. This is the plug right here, NIVEA. This is good. For my first impressions, I really like it. Like the self-heating, you can actually feel it self-heating. It's a good one. And then this one with the green tea and hyaluronic acid, good. I'm not complaining. Anything with hyaluronic acid has been hyped, and so far everyone's liking it, so I'm not complaining. These masks are not gimmicky at all, so you should go ahead and buy both of them. The prices and everything else will be linked below. Other than that, do enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you soon.